Learn how to quickly generate certificates with Certman tool and easily perform a fresh installation of Workload Automation 10.2.5, getting you up and running in no time. After having downloaded the installation images, extract the content of the zip file into a directory. To ensure a secure server connection, browse to the TWS bin folder to generate the certificate authority and the certificates using Certman. You can use Certman help or the product documentation to know more about the commands you can launch with Certman. When the certificates have been created, start installing the workload automation components. First, launch the configure-db command to configure the database schema. Then, launch the server.inst command to install the server. Finally, set up the environment and create a new production plan by launching the jnextplan command. That's all. In just a few steps, you successfully installed and configured Workload Automation 10.2.5.